Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is my first ever video and this is something about my birthday gift. So many chocolates and I love chocolates. These are all the things I got. Oh, thank you. It takes much patience. As I don't have patience, I'm just it's mirror. Oh my god, so nice. Okay, it's round in shape. If you guys want it, then I will ask my friend to give me the link so that you can also buy and a chocolate. I don't know how to give a voice over, so please excuse me. Okay, bye. Like, share and subscribe, and most importantly, do follow me on Instagram for more